Spring comes early, then it slips away fast. Kids chase kites where you once chased the crows. I trace footprints that faded so fast. Rain soaks through my sleeves, then the first frost shows. I miss birthdays packed in cardboard and dust, photos curling at the side of my bed. Every promise needs a little blind trust. Mine sits on this bench where your